8:35 in the morning, Wednesday, October 23rd. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. I'm glad they didn't destroy this thing. This thing's tougher now than the last time when it was just made out of plastic. See, that's where the splash pad is. I've done a few videos of that in the past. You can see this tree right there is an ebano. It's an ebony. Same with that one. Not sure what kind of tree that is. So bright because of the sun. Oh my! See, they took this away as well, but I don't see any graffiti here. So I'm hoping that they didn't vandalize the restrooms inside. They did damage they removed the water fountain. I'm not gonna go in there just in case somebody's in there. It's a dip right there. I'm gonna go up on this. I'm not gonna write this. But you can see how that swings. You got a slide. That's probably the first slide. There's a second slide right there. You got the third slide right here. Check that out. Look at the how it's not damaged. It's just worn out. Let's go up here. They got 3 sets of slides here. So a massive one right here. Then they got 2 right here. This one has a curvature to it. And this one also has 2 slides. Just like a competition to see who goes down first. And there's another slide right there. And we've made it to the top. You got the last slide up here, which spirals. And over there is the Harlingen baseball stadium. Let me see if I can zoom in. The more you zoom in, the more unsteady the we can even see the windmills up there. Okay, that's 15 times is what it zooms. Photo, I know you can do a lot. All right, so it's time to head back down. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk through here. Just gears right there. We got all these. I'd like to ride this thing one day. But I gotta have the like an action camera with me so I can just mount it on me. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose balance holding the camera. You got a Catarina right here, Ladybug. You got a teeter-totter, what we call the seesaw. See, look at how wide that slide is. You got swings for the handicap, which is nice. I'm not sure if this is for also for handicap, but it's really nice. I don't remember if I ever took video of the swing sets that were here. They were where you could roll up a road wheelchair. So I'll be cutting the video here shortly. I'm at 8 minutes, so let me end the video right as soon as I get to the entrance of the. Once I get to the entrance of this playground. This will be my thumbnail, so let me try to get everything here in the shot.